morning, all of you. We will continue
Good
with
morning,
the
ma'am.
English grammar chapter, pronouns. Okay, we have already done exercise A and B. Let's move on. We are on page number 32. Open your books to page number 32. Today we'll have a look at demonstrative pronouns. So just as the name suggests, demonstrative pronouns are used to demonstrate or point at people or point at things. Alright, now the things might be near to us or far from us, but they are basically used to point at people or things. For example, this is my brother, that is my sister, these are my books. So demonstrative pronouns are what? Which are used to point at people or things. That's simple. Let's do the exercise related to it. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate demonstrative pronouns. Dash is Miss Ahana Jain. She is your new class teacher.
Ma'am, this.
Okay, this is correct. Next, look at dash, exclaimed the boy pointing at the shooting star.
Ma'am, that.
Okay, look at that. Correct. Look at that. Next, dash is how you can solve this sum.
Ma'am, this is how.
Okay, right. This is how you can solve this sum. This. I can solve dash easily, said the girl.
Ma'am, this easily. Ma'am,
Okay. Okay, I can solve this easily. I like dash, but I would like to look at dash too. The ones you have at that end, said the customer.
Ma'am, I like this, but I would like to look at that too.
I like.
I like this. Ma'am, I like this, but I would like to look at that. That too. Ma'am, first one will be this and second will be that.
First could be I like. You could even say I like this, or you could even say I like these. So it could be both. It could be these also. I like these, or it could be this. And in the next blank, but I would like to look at those two. Those. I like these, but I would like to look at those two. The ones you have at that end. Ones, because it is plural, so we are using in the second blank, we have to use those. Okay, next, distributive pronouns. Now distributive pronouns, they are used to refer to people or things taken one at a time. Means when we want to talk about one at a time. Alright, so like neither, either, each. Okay, so refer, they are used to refer to people or things which are taken one at a time, and they always take a singular verb. So neither means no one of the two, so we will always use the singular verb with them. For example, either will do. Select any of the two books. Neither is good. Is. Alright? Don't buy them. So likewise. Again, one more exercise. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate distributive pronouns. Now, in most of them, you can fill more than one. Obviously, some you have to be specific, but otherwise, mostly you can fill more than one. First one. Susan exclaimed, "Oh no, dash of my old dresses has frayed."
Ma'am, each.
Each.
Ma'am, each.
Okay, each of my old dresses has frayed. Each. Second, dash of the students can participate in the dance competition.
Ma'am, each.
Each of the students can participate. Either of the students can participate. Neither of the students can participate. So it could be Any, each, either or neither. Dash of them has done the mischief.
Ma'am, each. Ma'am, either. Ma'am, neither of them has done the mischief.
Now it could be
Ma'am,
again,
neither.
it could be each of them also, it could be either of them also, it could be neither of them also.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Yes, what about who, to whom my voice is not clear?
Ma'am, your voice is clear. Ma'am, your voice
is clear.
Okay, there might be beta, it would be some issues at your end. It will be okay in a while, don't worry. Fourth one, dash of these doctors seems efficient enough to handle the patients they are attending to.
Ma'am, each.
Alright, again in this also, you can put each of these doctors seem efficient, either of these doctors, neither of these doctors seem efficient enough to handle the patients they are attending to. So all would be correct. Number 5th, it appears that dash of you has been selected for the part.
Ma'am,
Alright, neither of you is also correct, each of you is also correct. Okay, so you can write both, each also and neither also. Number 6, dash of the two girls has the ability to carry it off.
Ma'am, each.
Ma'am, each.
Each of the two girls or neither of the two girls. You can write each also as well as neither also, neither of the girls, neither of the two girls. Number 7th, dash of these chapters has an exercise at the end.
Ma'am, each. Ma'am, each.
Each of these chapters. Number 8, dash of the tourists had a torch.
Ma'am, each. Ma'am,
Neither.
Alright, neither also is correct. Each is also correct. Number 9, dash of the books was helpful.
Ma'am, each.
Neither is also correct.
Neither
of the books. Neither of the books was helpful. You can write neither. Neither is also correct. Number 10th, I like both the dresses, but I will buy one. I can buy dash of the two.
Ma'am, either.
Either of the two.
Ma'am, either.
Because you have to buy only one. So you can buy either of the two. Okay, let's move on. Next type, indefinite. Now indefinite, as the name suggests, so we will not know to whom these pronouns are referring to. They refer to people or to things in a general way, not specific. They are not specific. That is why they are called as indefinite. Now, like when we say everyone, someone, nobody, everybody, everyone, something, nothing, anything. So it is not specific. It is general. Alright. So that is why they are called as indefinite pronouns. They are used to refer to people or things in a general way without exactly saying that who they are or what they are. Like everybody came for a meeting. We are not specifying who all came for the meeting. We are just saying in general everybody came for the meeting. Now we could see everything clearly. Now what you could see, that is not specified, that what all you could see. But generally we are saying that we could see everything. So they are used to refer to people or things in a general way, not specific, general. Okay, exercise E. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate indefinite pronouns. Neetu is throwing a party. Dash is invited.
Everybody.
Okay, everyone, everybody, both are correct. Everybody is invited, everyone is invited. Next. Hello, is Dash there?
Anyone.
Anyone? Yes. Anyone? Anybody? Both are correct. Yes, anybody is also correct. Is anyone there? Is anybody there? Both are right. Why is dash or dash ready yet? Asked
Ma'am,
father
nothing.
irritably.
Ma'am, nobody.
Nobody.
Okay, why is nobody ready yet or why is no one ready yet? So both are correct. Nobody, no one. Next. Will dash please help me? The trapped man
Anyone.
cried out.
Anyone.
Anyone.
Will anyone?
Someone.
Someone.
Someone or somebody.
Yes, someone or somebody. Correct. Someone or somebody. Number 5th. Is dash at home? Shouted the postman.
Ma'am, someone.
Yes, anyone.
is anybody?
Anybody at home? Is anyone? Anybody at home? But dash answered his call.
Ma'am,
No one. Nobody.
Okay, no
no
one.
one.
Yes, no one / nobody. Both are correct. So anyone at home shouted, but no one. And if you write anybody, then nobody. Number 6. Dash.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Repeat which one?
Ma'am, fourth one.
4th is someone or somebody. Number 6. Dash felt that Gaurav will win. Dash could believe
Ma'am.
it when Pratik won.
Ma'am, everybody said everyone.
Okay,
Everyone.
everybody felt that Gaurav will win. So either you can write either everyone or everybody felt that Gaurav will win. Dash couldn't believe. Next.
Ma'am, no one, nobody.
Right, correct. No one or nobody could believe it when Pratik won. 7th. Has dash understood the procedure? Does
Ma'am,
dash have a
everybody.
doubt?
Everyone.
Everyone.
Okay. Has everybody understood the problem? Does dash have a doubt?
Anybody.
Anyone or anybody. First blank, everyone or everybody. Second blank, anyone or anybody. Number 8. Dash in my family burst crackers. They are really bad for the environment.
Ma'am, someone. Everyone.
No one.
Beta, they are saying that they are really bad for the environment.
Ma'am, no one.
Right.
Ma'am,
No
no
one
one.
or nobody. No one or nobody in my family burst crackers. You are telling that they are bad for environment. So obviously no one from your family is doing that. Number 9th. Dash is at the door. Can you please check?
Somebody. Ma'am, someone.
Okay,
Ma'am,
someone
someone.
or somebody is at the door. Can you please check? So it could be either someone or somebody. Dash ran towards the actor. The actor was scared and ran away.
Everyone.
Okay,
Everyone or everyone.
right. Everyone or everybody. Next. I want to meet the neighbors, but Dash answered the door.
No one. Ma'am, no one.
Ma'am, nobody.
Okay, no one or nobody. I went to meet the neighbors, but no one or nobody answered the door. The last one here. Can Dash tell me the difference between pavement and sidewalk?
Ma'am, anyone. Anybody. Anybody.
Anyone, anybody, or someone, some. Okay, you can write anyone, anybody. That is okay. Okay, so anybody, anyone is all right. Okay, next we move on to interrogative pronouns. Now, interrogative, as the name suggests, they are used to ask questions. There are 5 interrogative pronouns: what, which, who, whom, and whose. What, which, who, whom, and whose. Like whose, who are you, what do you want to do, or what do you want, what kind of fruits you like, all that. So interrogative pronouns used to ask questions. Then the next is relative pronoun. Now relative pronouns, they refer to a noun or a pronoun mentioned previously, and they are also used to join sentences. So interrogative used to ask questions, and relative pronouns, they are used to refer, means in a sentence a certain noun or a pronoun would already been mentioned, and when you mentioned it again, all right, then you use relative pronouns. So relative pronouns, they refer to a noun or a pronoun which has already been mentioned in the sentence, and relative pronouns are also used to join sentences. For example, example of relative pronouns: Goldilocks is the story of a little girl who got lost in the woods. Now, who is used for whom here? Who is
Ma'am, for
for the little girl. So little girl is a noun already been mentioned in the sentence previously, and then when we want to refer to her, when we want to refer to a noun or a pronoun already talked about or already mentioned earlier, we use the relative pronoun. So here, who is the relative pronoun? Then see the second example. The book that I wanted to buy was not available. Now here, that again is a relative pronoun because it is used to refer to
come to book.
book. All right, it is used to refer to the book. The book that I wanted means the book which I wanted. So the book had already been mentioned. When we want to mention it again, when we want to refer to that again, then we use relative pronouns. Now in this particular exercise, we have to fill in the blanks with appropriate interrogative or relative pronouns. Okay, let's try doing it. Exercise F. Number 1. Dash is that lady.
Ma'am, who?
Okay, who is that lady? Dash is this book about?
Ma'am, what?
Okay, right. What is this book about? Dash did you speak to? Whom did you speak to? Right, whom did you speak to? Ask him about dash he wants.
Ma'am, what?
Okay, ask him about what he wants. What? I don't know dash he is.
Ma'am, who?
Who he
Ma'am,
is.
who?
I don't know who he is. Dash do you wish to meet?
Ma'am, who?
Whom? Right, whom do you wish to meet? Whom do you wish to meet? Number 7. Dash was driving the car.
Ma'am, who?
Okay, who was driving the car? Next. May I know dash is speaking?
Ma'am,
Who?
who?
Right, may I know who is speaking? Dash is your favorite color.
Ma'am, what?
Okay, what is your favorite color? Dash has to read next. Ask the teacher.
Ma'am, who?
Who?
Ma'am,
Who has to read next? Who? I cannot understand dash you are saying.
what?
Right, I cannot understand what you are saying. Number 12. Dash is the guy you were speaking to.
Ma'am, who?
Ma'am, who?
Okay. Who is the guy you were speaking to? Who? This is the teacher Dash taught me last year.
Ma'am, we have to do the 12th. Ma'am, 13th.
Okay, sorry.
Ma'am, 13th.
Sorry. Do you know the man Dash is speaking?
Ma'am, who?
Okay, who, right. Do you know the man who is speaking? This is the teacher Dash taught me last year.
Ma'am, who?
Who taught me last year? Who? Dash of these ladies is your class teacher.
Ma'am, which?
Right, correct.
Ma'am, which?
Good. Which of these ladies is your class teacher? Next. He is delivering a lecture. Dash is very interesting.
Ma'am, which? Ma'am, which? Very interesting. Ma'am, which?
Okay, which is very interesting? Dash of your childhood hobbies do you still pursue? Dash of your childhood hobbies do you still pursue?
Ma'am, which?
Okay, which of your childhood hobbies? Which of your childhood hobbies do you still pursue? Number 18. The game Dash we invented was nothing new.
Ma'am, which? Ma'am, which?
Even that is okay. You can write that or which, anything. The game that we invented was nothing new, or the game which we invented was nothing new. Okay, look at these dresses. Dash do you prefer? The red one or the white one?
Ma'am, which?
Which? Look at these dresses. Which do you prefer? The red one or the white one? And the last one here. The person to Dash I spoke on the phone that day gave me wrong information.
Ma'am,
Whom?
Ma'am,
Okay,
Whom?
whom is correct. Alright, the last type of pronoun mentioned here, reciprocal. Now, reciprocal means that the thing is returned. It indicates two or more people are doing the same thing. We greet each other on Diwali means both the people are doing the same thing. I greet you, you greet me. Okay? So, reciprocal pronouns, they indicate that two or more people, they are doing the same thing. Alright? Each other, one another. So, two reciprocal pronouns are there, each other or one another. They are called as reciprocal pronouns. We should help one another, or we greet each other on Diwali. So both are reciprocal, means it is done, the thing is done by two or more people. Now the last exercise we have, all the pronouns are here all mixed up. You have to underline the pronoun and then tell its type. So underline the pronoun and identify their kinds. First sentence, what is happening?
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, what?
Okay, what type?
Interrogative.
Okay, interrogative.
Ma'am, interrogative.
Right, right
Ma'am,
down.
interrogative
Write
pronoun.
down interrogative. Interrogative. Mahesh hurt himself.
Ma'am, himself.
Ma'am, himself.
Okay, himself is
Ma'am, reflexive.
right.
Ma'am, reflexive.
Reflexive, correct. Number 3rd. These books are mine.
Ma'am, personal.
Ma'am, my pronoun was
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am,
Mine is possessive pronoun. Okay, right.
And
Mine,
mine is
possessive
possessive.
pronoun. Is anybody at home?
Ma'am, and anybody.
Ma'am, anybody.
Okay.
Ma'am, indefinite.
Which type?
Indefinite pronoun.
Indefinite. Okay, right. Anybody is indefinite pronoun. That is a beautiful dress.
Ma'am, that.
Ma'am, that.
Yes, which type?
Ma'am, demonstrative.
Okay.
Demonstrative.
Alright, it is demonstrative. Demonstrative pronoun. Does Anita like these?
Ma'am, these. I'm demonstrative pronoun.
Again, right, demonstrative pronoun. Next one. Nobody came to help us.
Ma'am, indefinite. Ma'am, nobody indefinite pronoun.
Ma'am, nobody, indefinite pronoun.
Okay, nobody indefinite. And one more is there.
Ma'am, us is a personal pronoun.
Right, us is
Us is a personal pronoun.
Us is personal pronoun. We gave each other gifts.
Ma'am, each is a reciprocal pronoun.
Ma'am, each other reciprocal pronoun.
Okay, each other is reciprocal pronoun. No other pronoun is here.
Ma'am, we personal pronoun. Ma'am, we personal pronoun.
Okay,
Ma'am, we
personal
possessive pronoun.
Right. He himself made the coffee.
Ma'am, himself. Ma'am, himself.
Himself is?
Ma'am, reflexive pronoun.
Ma'am, reflexive.
Ma'am, he. I'm personal pronoun. Ma'am, he's a personal pronoun and himself is a...
Beta, he himself made the coffee. What type of pronoun?
I'm emphatic.
Emphatic. Yes, it is not reflexive. It is emphatic. It is used here for emphasis, for stressing that he himself made the coffee and no one else. So himself is emphatic and he is personal. Next, this is our car. That is theirs.
Ma'am, this is demonstrative pronoun. R is personal pronoun. That is demonstrative pronoun.
Okay, this and that both are demonstrative pronouns, and there's one more.
Ma'am, R.
Ma'am,
R is,
personal pronoun.
R is what?
Ma'am, personal pronoun. Personal pronoun.
And theirs.
Ma'am, possessive pronoun. Ma'am, possessive pronoun.
Right, possessive pronoun. So you mark this, that, and theirs. This, that, and theirs. This and that both are demonstrative and theirs as possessive. Whom do you want to meet?
Ma'am, whom? Ma'am, whom is the personal pronoun.
Okay, whom interrogative and you personal. Whom is interrogative and you is personal. Which is your favorite song?
Ma'am, which is personal.
Yes, which is?
Ma'am,
Interrogative. Which is interrogative. Okay. Next. I sent myself a copy of the mail.
Ma'am, emphatic.
I sent myself.
Ma'am, I is personal pronoun.
I is personal. I sent myself. What is myself?
Ma'am, emphatic. Emphatic pronoun.
Emphatic.
Ma'am,
I am
reflexive.
not saying I myself sent a copy. I am not saying I myself sent a copy. I am saying I sent myself. It is at the place of object. Myself is at the place of object. What type of pronoun?
Ma'am, reflexive.
Reflexive. Next. The car that he drives is very old.
Ma'am, that is demonstrative.
Ma'am, that.
No, not demonstrative.
Ma'am, that is interrogative.
No, that is not interrogative.
Ma'am, relative.
Ma'am,
It is
relative.
relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. See, the car. Already mentioned noun, and we are referring to it again. The car that he drives. So we are referring to the car that he drives. Nothing happened at school today.
Ma'am, nothing.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
nothing
nothing.
indefinite.
Okay. Nothing is indefinite.
Indefinite.
I think so. We should stop, or do you want to complete this exercise?
Ma'am, complete.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, complete. Ma'am, complete.
Alright, next. We ourselves made the sand castle.
Ma'am, ourselves.
Ma'am, ourselves emphatic.
Ma'am, emphatic.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ourselves
ourselves
is emphatic. They built the garden themselves.
Ma'am, emphatic.
Emphatic.
Person pronoun emphatic.
Yes, and in the 16th one also you had a personal pronoun. We.
Ma'am, we.
Yes, we was a personal pronoun.
we.
Ourselves emphatic. Again, they is personal and themselves is emphatic. My plant is dying. Yours is lovely.
Ma'am, mine is personal and ma'am, yours is pronoun. Yours is
Yes,
also
yours is
possessive. Ma'am,
possessive.
possessive.
Right, possessive
Possessive
pronoun.
pronoun.
These apples are sweeter than those.
Ma'am, these is a demonstrative pronoun. This is a demonstrative pronoun.
Underline those. Those as demonstrative pronouns. Those.
Ma'am, these. Ma'am, these also.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
These apples are sweeter than those. Next. Riddhi and Siddhi beat them in the finals.
Ma'am, them is a personal.
Okay, them
Ma'am, them.
personal. Them is personal. This is the boy who saved his grandmother.
Ma'am, this is demonstrative pronoun.
Interrogative.
This is demonstrative and who?
Ma'am, relative.
Okay,
Ma'am,
this
relative.
is
Ma'am,
relative. Okay, so we have two or more than enough. This is demonstrative and who is relative. The cat saw itself in the mirror and panicked.
Ma'am, personal pronoun.
Which
Ma'am,
one?
itself.
Itself. The cat saw itself. Itself.
Ma'am, emphatic.
Ma'am, reflexive.
Reflexive.
Ma'am, reflexive.
It is at the place of object. The cat saw. What did it see? Itself. Reflexive. I do not know the person who called yesterday.
Ma'am, I is a person pronoun. Who is? Ma'am, I is personal and ma'am, who is relative.
Okay, I is personal and who is relative. Praveen and Sudeep are talking to each other.
Ma'am, each other is reciprocal pronoun.
Okay, each other is
Ma'am,
reciprocal.
each other is
Girish runs very fast. Can you run faster than him?
Ma'am, you personal pronoun.
You and him are personal pronouns. Okay. The team members are blaming one another for the loss.
Ma'am, one
Okay,
Ma'am,
one
reciprocal.
another is reciprocal. And the last one here. Would you like to have some coffee, sir? Asked the waiter.
Ma'am, you is a personal pronoun.
Okay, you is a personal pronoun. Okay, so that completes the exercise. Have all of you done it? Or has anyone missed
Yes, ma'am.
anything?
Yes.
Ma'am, please repeat the 13th and 18th one.
13th is I is personal, myself is reflexive. I personal, myself reflexive, and 18th is yours is possessive.
Ma'am, please repeat 7th one.
7th is nobody came to help us. Nobody is indefinite, us is personal. Okay, so that completes the chapter.